9-2, surface area of pyramids. Our state standard says at a level 3, I can use formulas to find surface area of pyramids. 3D objects, today is all about pyramids. A regular pyramid is a pyramid whose base is a regular polygon, like a square or an equilateral triangle. The lateral faces are all triangles. Lateral height, now this is a new term, lateral height, the height of the lateral triangles, and it's an L in the formulas. So when I look at the net of a regular pyramid, I have my square base, I have my 4 lateral triangles. The lateral height is the height of the triangle. It's this slant height, which is what it's sometimes called, slant height. Okay, slant height. Now the formula is a little bit different. Surface area is capital B, because there's only one base, plus 1/2 the perimeter times L. Half perimeter times slant height L. Area of the base, perimeter of the base, lateral height. Here we go. Find the surface area of this regular pyramid. So surface area is capital B plus 1/2 PL. So capital B, it's a square, side squared. 3 to the second power, 9. Perimeter of the base, 4 sides, 4 times 3, 12. That's not any different than what we were doing before. 9 meters squared, 12 meters for perimeter. So my surface area is 1 capital B, 9, plus 1/2 times the perimeter of 12 times the slant height of 6. So surface area is 9 plus half of 12 is 6. 6 times 6, 36. Surface area is 45 meters squared. It looks really scary, but if you take it piece by piece, find capital B, find the perimeter of the base, substitute it in, do the arithmetic. Now, this is a fancy pyramid. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. This is an octagonal pyramid. Now, my goodness, I don't know how to find area of an octagon, but look at, oh, yay, they gave me capital B. They gave me the area of the base. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Surface area equals capital B plus 1/2 PL. So they gave me capital B. All I got to do now is find perimeter. Well, if it's an octagon, it has how many sides? 8. 8 times each side is 2. 8 times 2, 16 millimeters. So surface area is 20 plus 1/2 times 16 times lateral height, that's this red line here, of 4. Surface area is 20 plus half of 16 is 8. 8 times 4, 32. Surface area is 52 millimeters squared. Again, a review of our standard working with surface area now of 3D objects. In this case, we're doing regular pyramids. Find the surface area of this regular pyramid that happens to be an equilateral triangle. So capital B plus 1/2 PL. So capital B, area of a triangle is 1/2 little bh. Now, notice here, they give me the height of this triangle on the base, and sometimes it's helpful just to take a little piece of paper, if you have one handy, and cover up so you just look at that triangle base. If I want the area of that triangle, it's base times height. My base is 3, my height is 4 3/10. Because that's this height from his vertex to perpendicular to this base side. So, now I have to do some math. I might have to grab my calculator. And that's okay. I can punch that in. On is such a good idea. Clear out all my junk. Let's see if it'll show up on here. 1/2. 1 divided by 2 works for 1/2 times 3 times 4 3/10. And it tells me 6 45/100. So, capital B, 6 45/100 inches squared. Now the perimeter of my base, 3 sides, all 3 inches long, 9 inches. So my surface area is 6 45/100 plus 1/2 times 9 times the lateral height of 7. 6 45/100 plus 1/2 times 9 times 7. Again, I punch in my calculator, 31 5/10. Add those together. $37 95/100 inches squared. When you have a triangle base, it's a little bit more cumbersome. 1/2 BH. But there you go. Next problem. Very similar to the one we just did. We have a lovely triangular prism. This side is 6 feet. The height of that is 5 2/10. The height of the whole lateral height is 10. So surface area is capital B plus 1/2 PL. Area of the base, 1/2 little bh. 1/2 times 6 times 5 2/10. Again, I punch that in my calculator. 1/2 times 6 times 5 2/10. 15 6/10. My perimeter, 3 times 6, 18 inches. So my surface area is 15 6/10 plus 1/2 times 18 times 10. So 15 6/10 plus 90 . 105 6/10 inches squared for that surface area. Story problem. A roof is shaped like a square pyramid. One bundle of shingles will cover 25 square feet. How many bundles should you buy to cover the whole roof? Now, if this is my roof and it's sitting on my house, when I find surface area of my roof, do I need to know the base? Is the base going to be covered by shingles? Or am I just worried about the lateral surface area? Lateral surface area. Again, I just need the 1/2 PL. So my perimeter is 4 times 18. So my perimeter is 72 feet. My lateral height is 13. So my lateral surface area is 1/2 times 72 times 13. Yay for calculators. 1/2 times 72 times 13. 468. So my lateral surface area is 468 square feet. But was that the question? No. How many bundles of shingles do I need? Well, each bundle covers 25 square feet. So I have to take 468 divided by 25. So 468 divided by 25, 18 7/72. 18 7/72. Can I get, so how many bundles do I need? I better buy 19 bundles. So I can find surface area of regular pyramids. I can solve real life problems.